Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And for those that were wondering what was that famous bug that is attributed to the June Patch Tuesday updates, so it has to do with the recycle bin. It is a very bizarre bug. So if you, for example, right-click one element in the recycle bin and click the delete, the name that you've deleted, like for example, this one is a date and time, is a string of weird characters that has nothing to do with the name that actually is in the recycle bin. But it doesn't change anything because it still works. So for example, here I have one called Microsoft Edge. So if I right click on this one and I delete it, well, you see that it deletes it says it's going to delete this weird string of characters, which has nothing to do with, this is a very bizarre bug. I mean, I don't know what happens, but it's very bizarre that it takes this and it just shows some kind of weird random thing. So anyways, it doesn't really matter because it doesn't prevent you from deleting everything. So really, there's absolutely no problem there in the recycle bin itself. As it still deletes, it still works fine. It's just that the string of characters that it shows up, which is so bizarre when you try to delete files. So don't worry about it. Microsoft knows about it. It says it's going to fix it. So probably maybe by the updates by the end of this week, we are supposed to have the preview updates for the month of June. Maybe the fix is going to be in there already for this very bizarre bug that is in the recycle bin. For the rest, I've seen a few people mention that on Dell computers, they've noticed that the June update seems to freeze some of the Dell PCs. Yet, when I look at the general problems, there's nothing that really stands out, so it's very bizarre. If anything, if there's a workaround or anything, of course, I'll make a video about it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.